if you've ever wondered what to do with the letter H in French, do you pronounce it? Do you not pronounce it? And if you do, how to pronounce it? Now, I'm going to make this very easy for you. The answer is, the letter H is always silent in French at the beginning of a word. When you have words like haricot, which means bean, okay, like green bean, red bean, haricot, it starts with an H that you do not pronounce. Another word would be a habit. So in English you do pronounce the H, but in French is habitude, not habitude, habitude. So the rule is simple. The H, beginning of a word, always. How do you say to think of something? To think of something. In French, you would say penser à quelque chose. Penser. Penser is to think. Not penser, penser. It's part of the nasal sounds in French. En, okay? You have different ones. En, un, on. But this one is en. Penser. When you see the two letters, en or an, it makes the sound en, okay? So this should be something you should definitely know about. So, penser à quelque chose. To think of something. Something is quelque chose. Quelque chose. Chose. Quelque chose. So how do you say crossed arms, right? Crossed arms. It's usually a position when you show the other person that you're not willing to open yourself up. And it's alright. It's very introvert, shy people behavior. So crossed arms, you say in French, les bras croisés. Arms is les bras. 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 Brr, ah, bra, not bra, not bro, not bra, it's bra, ah, okay, les bras, croix. This is another nasal sound in French, wa, croix, croiser, croiser les bras, croiser les bras.